Going over the trades on the day, the highlight was the overnight session in the E-mini S&P. Market had a sell-off in the afternoon yesterday, rebounded in the after hours. ES after hours caught that move after losing the previous night, plus 1725 on the day for that strategy. Exited right at the European Open. And then NightTrader also was profitable on the day. Want to look at the latest equity curve. It's had a losing streak in NightTrader. So if you're doing technical analysis of the equity curve and want to look at the trend line of the equity curve, this can be a good entry point for NightTrader. There's a rough trend line for you after this losing streak right now. We've seen rebounds when we have these type of losing streaks. So this is based on long only nighttime trend trades and the Federal Reserve. We credit the Federal Reserve for this type of strategy. And so NightTrader could be a good strategy to start at this time. It's in the portfolios. So this is NightTrader, E-mini S&P. The day session was choppy, and adaptive moving average was one of the top losers on the day, minus 2162.50. And then 60-minute breakout. Also, it traded overnight as well. It got in a little bit late at 6 a.m. and got it on the breakout. And so it lost on the day, minus 1025. So challenging day overall, and 60-minute breakout and adaptive moving average, but not very active in the trading as well. Only 4 strategies on the ES traded today. Even the NASDAQ, gap continuation 2019, hit those breakouts and lost 2 times. I want to show you the difference between strategies like NightTrader, which has 76% winners over the last 2 years, and then gap continuation 2019 has 26% winners. You have a diversity of methodologies. NightTrader has a big stop loss, 1,500 with a $700 profit target, and then gap continuation has a $300 stop loss and lets it run until the end of the day. So you have a diversity of methodologies. 48.75 closed trade drawdown. This is an open trade drawdown, which means it gave back a big winner. Biggest winner is 72.40. Here is the equity curve. But the beauty of this is that it has a $300 stop loss. It could take multiple trades per day. But if you're going back 1 year, actually, this is only 1 year, 26,970 on the NQ and this volatility. That's really a really good return on 1 NQ. It's outstanding to see that kind of return on 1 NQ. So gap continuation 2019, losses today, but I love the strategy overall. 60-minute breakout on the ES was a loser. On the NQ, it was a winner today. It hit its profit target plus 1,025. Looking at all these strategies that we have, only 2 on the NQ and 4 on the ES. Crude oil, short on crude right here, minus 85 on Cobra crude, conservative and aggressive. And those are the only 2 trades in crude oil. Natural gas, no trades. RBOB, no trades. Soybeans had a profitable trade on soybeans day trader 3. Mean reverted some of that trend yesterday, plus 275. Euro, minus 256.25 on Cobra Euro 4. Gold, we had Asia Gold short, minus 525. And then we have silver, no trades on silver. Tick fader, lost minus 625. It's having a losing streak. Dynamic tick pullback, no trades on the day. And so those are the trades. Not a lot of trades today. Very, very slow time period right now as the market seems to be, the volatility seems to be shrinking just a little bit. The VIX seems to be coming back to this 25 level and then popping, but not popping a lot. We popped up towards 27 today, even though the market was up on the day. And so interesting price action. Kind of a confused market in my opinion. A lot of divergences still this week. Plus the advanced decline line was up. The tick was up. But the VIX was also up. And so it doesn't make a lot of sense right now. We're coming to the election. And just kind of a confusing price action, and not a lot of trades right now in the strategies, which is good if we're going to be divergent and choppy. To not have a lot of trades, the strategies are doing their job. So again, the night trades were the highlight on the day. After hours ES and NightTrader, those 2 combined for $2,400 on the day, which made up for a lot of the losses on the losers. Adaptive moving average did really bad today, a lot of losing trades, and so these two made up for that. And so those are the trades on the day for October the 1st, 2020.